Welcome back to the online class, mathematics online class, and we are working for the class 8th maths brainstorming. Okay, only few some difficult questions are remained that we have to solve. See here, some of the questions are there in front of you in the board. One by one we have to see and think for it. If you have seen my last lecture, then only you will be it will be easier for you to see the solutions. So go through the videos. Okay, what is the question itself? AB into 6 and I am getting the product 6 sorry, I have to product C6 8. So this last particular digit 8, it is going to help me. If I have to consider this unit place digit, so I can write down, I should go for 8 B multiply by 6 and I have to get 8 at the unit place. 8 at the unit place. By which particular digit I should multiply with 6 so that I am getting 8 at the unit place. So no problem, I can check. 6 4 ja 24, 4, 6 5 ja 30, so 0. See here, 6 I have to get 8. Okay, so 6 8 ja what? 48. 6 8 ja 48. So this is the thing. This is the thing. Okay, I have to get 8 at the unit place. So what is the number? Definitely 8. So I should go for 8. Right now see here. Okay, I have to go for the 8. Meaning is that B values, it is fixed 8. Either there are more values. See here, 6 2 ja 12. 2 is also there. Okay, 2 is also no. I have to get 8 at the unit place, so only 8 will be there. And what could be the value of A? I can check. For example, case 1. In the case 1, I am selecting A value, for example 1. So 1 8 into 6. 6 8 ja 48. But here I have to get 6. Here I have to get 6. 6 8 ja 48. 4 on carry, 6 1 ja 6 plus 4 10. So see here, either 6 is coming here, no. Again I am going to explain you, it is little typical. See here, according to the situation, 6 multiply with some digit, it will give me 8 at the unit place. So what is according to that situation? Only the value of B is fixed right now. What could be the value of B? It is 8 only, because 6 8 ja only 48 and 8 is coming at the unit place. So according to that, the value of B is fixed right now, that is the 8. But value of A I will choose according to my choice. Right now I am going for the 1. So see here, after the multiplication I am getting 108. But the middle digit, it is not going to be matched. It should be 6. So what should I do? I am changing the value. For example, A is equal to, this is for the A is equal to 1. Again I am changing the value, A is equal to 2. So 2 8, again multiply by 6. 6 8 ja 48. 4 on carry, 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12 and 12 plus 4 16. Match the answer. 6 is here. Yes, 6 is here. So this is your solution. So according to that, what is the value of A? According to that, value of A should be what? Value of A should be 2. Value of B should be what? Value of B should be 8. Okay, that is a fixed. And value of C, that is the 1 here. Compare with the things. So this is the one solution. This is the one solution. This is your answer. Right now see, another solution will be also there. Look here. If I am selecting the value of A7, if I am selecting the value of A7, in this way you can check. There are so many other values also. So once you are getting the solution, right now I have find out the solution here. So no need to check also. This is the solution. Till here the solution is complete. Still also I am giving you the another information. If you will check for the value of A7, so what happens here? 7 8 into multiply by 6. Here also the things will same. Look here. 6 8 ja 48, carry 4. 6 7 ja 42. 6 7 ja 42 plus 4, again 46. Match. Middle digit should be 6. Middle digit is again 6. According to that, what is the solution? A is equal to what? 7. B is equal to 8 and C is equal to the 100 place digit 4. So this is also answer and this is also answer. Okay. Right now things are clear to you? Yes. This is also answer, this is also answer. Okay, but only one answer you should remember. You have to solve only one answer in the exam. Right now see, I am going to rub the board. Eliminate this question from the board. Right now see the other questions, concentrate on the other questions. See here what is the case right now. Question number next, it is saying to me if 1AB plus CCA, write down one after the other, then only we could understand 6, 9, 7. This is the case actually. 1AB plus CCA, 1AB plus CCA, result is 697, 697. And there is no carry, no carry. Means all the digits are one number digits. Means any of the solution, it is not 17, it is only 7. Means there is no carry. No formation of the carry will be there, so it is going to be very easy answer. See here I can do anything? No, because A and B both are unknown to me. Is there I can do anything for here A plus C? No, I am not knowing what is the value of A and C. But here I can do the logic. See here, 1, I will start from here. 1 plus C should be equal to 6. From here only, this is the solution right now. See, this is the solution. I will start from this particular digit. Why? Because B and A, I am not knowing the values of A and B. Here also I am not knowing the values of both A and C. So definitely I can find the value of C from here. 1 plus C is equal to 6, meaning is that C value 1 I am going to transfer here. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. What is the value of C? 5. Okay. And right now if C is 5, what should I do? No problem. Right now see on the second situation. This is the first situation. After that A plus C should be equal to 9. A plus C should be equal to 9. And what is the value of C? I have got from here 5. So I am putting the value of C in the next step. So according to that I can find out the value of A. How? 5 will be transferred here. So 9 minus 5 will give me 4. 4 is the answer. And right now come to the last step. B plus A should be equal to 7. B plus A should be equal to 7. And if B plus A equal to 7, so see here the value of A is with me plus 4. So I am putting here. And after that I can find out the value of B, that is 7 minus 4 will give me 3. And after that, what is the thing required? Find the value of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. I have all the values. Look here. A plus B plus C. After that, I am coming here. A plus B plus C. What is the value of A here? 4. Plus B. What is the value of B? I have find out 3. What is the value of C? I have 5. I have to add all the number. After that, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 will be my final answer. Look here again. Is that clear? Nothing. There is no carry formation, so nothing. Here I can't do nothing. Here I can't do nothing. I have to start from here. C plus 1 will give me 6. Definitely the value of C could be 5. And if C is 5, for here 5, what should I add? A. So that it will give me 9. So definitely the value of A will be 4. Either you can solve in form of the equation, either you can solve directly also. And A plus B should be equal to 7 and A I have 4. So 4 plus what will give me 7? 3. So B value 3, and after that A plus B plus C, I have all the values. I have added all the things, and after that I am getting the solution 12. Right now see, only one question is remained. So be fast, be quick. Only the last question is remained. So I am rubbing the other things. The difference between the two-digit number. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Such kind of the questions are little. The difference between the two-digit number. Suppose two-digit number. We are supposing it AB. Suppose two-digit number is AB. And if it is a two-digit number, so what is the general form of the two-digit number? Tens place digit multiply with 10. So 10A plus unit place digit B. That I have told you earlier. For example, 67. It could be written 60 into 10 plus 7. Same like that I have written here. Okay. So this is the example I am giving you. So no need to remember it. So this could be written as 10A plus B. Right now see, interchanging the digits. Suppose we are interchanged a digit. Interchanged digit. interchanged digit will be definitely BA. If the original digit is AB, so interchanged digit will be BA. So according to that, it will give me 10B plus A. Tens place digit multiply with 10 plus unit place digit. Right now what is saying to me, I am reading the difference between the two digit number and the number obtained by the interchanged digit is 45. It says to me original digit minus new digit, or you can say original number minus new number, and the difference of these two, it is given to me 45. The difference of both the numbers, it is given to me 45. So that same thing I have written. What is the original number? Original number is AB, but according to the general form 10A plus B minus bracket, because minus is there, that's why I have to put bracket here on the second digit. What is the new number? 10B plus A. 10B plus A equal to what? 45. Right now I have to go for the solution. See here, 10A plus B. Because of this minus sign, both the things is converted into the negative form. So this is minus 10B, this is minus A, is equal to 45. Right now 10A minus A, it is giving me 9A. 10A and minus A, plus 10A minus A, subtraction, so 9A, and B minus 10B, B minus 10B. So because the negative digit is larger, and that's why my answer will become minus 9B should be equal to 45. That you are knowing it, so no need to explain more. You can see 9 and 9, both I can take common. So 9 in bracket A minus B should be equal to 45. That 9 I can transfer here. So A minus B is equal to 45 upon 9. A minus B should be equal to 9 upon 45. Sorry, 45 upon 9, it is giving me 9 5 is 45. So A minus B is equal to 5. A minus B is equal to 5. And what is asked to me? What is the difference of the digits of the number? So that is the answer. This is the difference of the number. This is the difference of the number, and difference is equal to 5. Same thing. Directly I am getting. No problem is there. So here again, see here. Suppose two digit number AB. So general form 10A plus B. Interchange digit BA 10B plus A. Difference between the two number, it is given to me 45. Same thing I have written. I have solved according to the laws of the equation, and after that it is giving me 9A minus 9B. So 9 I can take common, and after that 9 I can divide here. Okay, 5. And what I am getting here, A minus B, and what that is the asked to me, what is the difference of the digits. So the difference of the digit, it is equal to 5. Difference equal to 5. That is the answer. Okay, all the best. You have to solve such kind of the questions. Practice more and more. Thank you.